po si Angel. Thank you sa palakpak, Angel. When I woke this morning, imagine my surprise. On my pillow lay a single yellow rose. A smile, but when I read a card, the teardrops on my eyes. It was the only way that you could say goodbye. You couldn't tell me to my face that you have found another, and I never crossed my mind you'd be untrue. So today, as I lay sleeping, you left me here alone, and you said goodbye with a single yellow rose. Did you know that yellow rose, it means you love someone forever? Did you know this say forever I'll be true? Why did you have to go astray, leaving true all along the way? Why did you leave a single yellow rose? You couldn't tell me to my face that you have found another, and I'll never cross my mind you'd be untrue. So today, as I lay sleeping, you left me here alone, and you said goodbye with a single yellow rose. Yes, you said goodbye with a single yellow rose.
As I look at the letter that you wrote to me, it's you that I am thinking of. As I read the line that to me were so sweet, I remember our faded love. I miss you, darling, more and more every day. I said I would miss the stars above. With every heartbeat, I still think of you and remember our faded love.
Something of the past and all the play